Hello everyone, welcome to LearnPy with ABCD. Anybody can develop. So LearnPy is Learn Python development, and today we'll be learning to install the Python environment, the Python software. So when I say LearnPy, I'm not talking about learn how to make meat pie or a Dinkra pie. The Dinkra pie is some meat pie that has gained popularity in the Ghanaian community. So we are not going to learn how to make a Dinkra pie just for fun. Okay, so Python. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to install Python in today's session. And then, so why do you go to python.org, as seen here, python.org, and click on enter in your browser. And then let's see. So Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly, integrate systems more effectively. Okay, Python is very readable. Okay, very readable. And then let's see here. I'm going to scroll down. You can see the use Python, what people are using Python for, what you can use Python for. So for web development, using these frameworks, graphical user interface development, scientific and numerical, so SciPy, Pandas, software development, system administration. Okay, so there's a whole lot you can use Python, from web development to automation, etc. Okay, so to download it, you're going to the download here. Now click on Python. So there's the latest version. Click on it. Then it's going to get downloaded. So I already have it. So let me check. Let's just go through something here. Let me cancel it, and then I'm going to use my CMD command, and then I'll show you the version of Python that I have. CMD. So Python space hyphen and then version. Okay, so I'm using the latest version. Let's see. So I have 3.8.5. Okay, so that's the latest version that I have. Okay, so Python is downloaded on my system, and then let me see what we can do here. Let's go to Anaconda. Okay, so Anaconda, I think this program will be learning to use Jupyter Notebook, and then Pycharm, Atom. So you can use any of these IDEs. Okay, so Jupyter Notebook, well, I think I'll switch between Jupyter Notebook and then Pycharm. Okay, so for Pycharm, let's go to anaconda.com/products/individual. Okay, and then when you scroll down, then download it. Let's download it. I'm going to download it for Windows, so I'm using 64 bits. So you click on it. I already have Anaconda installed. So let me see. Let me just cancel it. And then so to install Anaconda, when it's done, you put it in a folder, and then you double click on the folder. It should open a window where you can go through the process of downloading them. So you would have to look for. Okay, so in this page we have a video tutorial to get you started with Anaconda. But what I can do is you would have to follow the instructions in installing Anaconda. Okay, so we'll be using Anaconda as a package for Python environments that has certain applications like Spider, Jupyter Notebook, and then some other applications that you can use for your Python projects, including machine learning and then artificial intelligence. Okay, so let's see. So when you follow the instructions and then you download them, already in the course outline, I've put a link where you can download. You can watch how to get it installed on your system. And then let me see. Okay, so we are done with Python Anaconda. Okay, so let's go to Pycharm. So Pycharm is very popular in that It simplifies your coding for you. It gives you hints in the coding environment. Okay, so there's a Pycharm page. So jetbrains.com/Pycharm. And then let's scroll down, and then you can decide to take a tour. We're going to scroll down and then download Pycharm now. So Pycharm has two versions, a community version and then a professional version. So I'm going to use the community version. I'll click on download Pycharm. Okay, so Pycharm is going to get downloaded. Okay, so while we wait for it to download, you'd have to install Python first before we use the Pycharm. I think Pycharm wouldn't run without a Python program installed. So let's go. So let's go straight to so once I'm done, already I have Anaconda, so I'm going to click on my Windows and then I'm going to type Anaconda. Okay, so Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so you can see I already have Jupyter Notebook here, and I've also pinned it on my taskbar. But let's just go straight to this place. Okay, so you're going to wait for it to prepare the environment for launching the service. Okay, so there's the Anaconda Environments, and these are the applications they can use to create things. Okay, so what we'll be using here, we need a Jupyter Notebook, not Jupyter Lab, but Jupyter Notebook. So I'm going to click on Launch, and then it should launch in my default browser. So once it's downloading, it will launch my interface for Jupyter Notebook, so I can start using Jupyter Notebook. Okay, so here, okay, so there's Jupyter Notebook, and these are folders. Okay, so you can click on any of the folder and then start your Anaconda project. Let me see, your Python projects. Okay, so .ipy Python IPY are Python projects, IPY and the Jupyter Notebook Python project. Okay, so to start a new project, we just click on New, and then click on Python 3. So this Python 3. Let me work. So when you want to know services that have been installed or libraries that have been installed, just go to Help, and you can see we have these libraries that are already installed. Okay, so there's Jupyter Notebook, and then let's see, File. You can create a new notebook. You can save, rename. Okay, so let's rename. So learn Python or learn Py. Okay, and that's auto save. So let's print our first program. So print hello. Shift and then enter to print it out. So shift and enter, or you can click on run. So let's try that. Let me go to cell and then clear the output. So cell, clear output, clear. Sorry, cell, current output, clear. Okay, so just click on run, and then it should run. Okay. Okay, so there's another platform, Atom, called Atom. So just input at atom.io, and then you can download Atom. But I wouldn't be using Atom. Maybe I might switch to Atom somewhere in the tutorial or the lesson, but I'll focus more on Jupyter Notebooks and probably Pycharm. Okay, so Pycharm is done downloading. So I'm going to click on Pycharm. Then I'll click on Next. You can change the destination folder, but I'm going to leave it to this. Then click Next. Then create desktop shortcuts. .py. Okay, let me just continue. Next. So we're going to wait for it to install. Okay, so it's done. I'm going to run it. Finish. Okay, so you can decide to choose your theme. I'm going to go for Dracula. And just go straight, start using Pycharm. Click on new projects and then location, Pycharm project, Python project. Okay, have virtual env. Create. Click on File, New. Sorry, I'm going to click on File, New Project. Click the test. And I'm going to click Create, New Window. We had an error, so let's go to New Project. Then we need to change it to use the Python interpreter. So create, let's see, new window. So it's creating the virtual environment for us to get started with our Python project. Okay, so these are environments. I'm going to clear these. And let's check our first project. Sorry. And we go to run main. Okay, so hello world. Okay, so it's printed in our terminal. Okay, so that's that for Pycharm. Okay, so main.py is our file. Okay, so that should be it for Pycharm. Let's see what else we need to do here. Okay, so I'll see you in the next lesson. Thank you.